Welcome to this video on basic electrical engineering, focusing on power measurement in three-phase circuits. We will explore the methods used for measuring power, with a particular focus on the two-wattmeter method. Three-phase systems are the backbone of global industry. Engineers must ensure accurate power measurement to maintain efficiency and control operational costs. There are three primary methods used to measure power in these systems: the 1-wattmeter method, the 2-wattmeter method, and the 3-wattmeter method. The 3-wattmeter method is utilized for 4-wire unbalanced loads. In this setup, each meter measures one phase, and the total power is the sum of the readings from all 3 meters. For perfectly balanced loads, we can use a single wattmeter method. Here, we measure one phase, and the total power is simply 3 times that single reading. The 2-wattmeter method is the industry standard. It requires only 2 instruments and allows engineers to measure both total power and the overall health of the system. To configure this, connect the current coils to 2 separate lines and the voltage coils to the 3rd line. This specific connection effectively captures the total power flow. The total power is calculated by taking the algebraic sum of the 2-meter readings. This result represents the true useful work being performed by the system. The 2-wattmeter method also allows us to derive the power factor, which is a critical indicator of system efficiency. This diagnostic matrix shows how different power factor conditions correspond to the readings of your 2 meters, aiding in quick system assessment. A low power factor may result in a negative reading, causing the meter pointer to deflect backward. To resolve this, reverse the current coil connection and subtract that value from the total sum. You can also calculate reactive power instantly using this formula. Understanding reactive power is essential, as it contributes to wasted energy during transmission. Refer to this selection matrix to choose the correct method based on your system configuration: 4-wire, 3-wire, or balanced setups. By using 2 instruments, you obtain comprehensive energy data, allowing you to monitor billing through real power and system health through the power factor. Mastering the 2-wattmeter method provides you with the control and insight needed to efficiently manage your 3-phase power systems.